How na dey?
Fine. My mama sent me.
What happened?
She said I should give you this to your oga.
Oh, Ngwan. Your mama be?
My mama.
My oga? You say your mama give me? Bravo. Okay, my oga. I'll give her more. I'll give her. I'll give her more.
Brother, Oga, who there you, Oga?
Oh, I forget something.
I beg no verse, so.
Oh, I forget anything.
Are you Masquerona on Facebook?
Masquerona?
Yeah.
Nabi na.
Okay, he's your brother.
Nabi Masquerona on Facebook. Nabi. You know.
What are you doing here now?
I don't work here now. I've been getting for this school.
You don't work here?
Now here they work. Anything?
You mean you don't work here?
See question. I said they work here. Anything? What happened? What happened? Tell me now.
So you will get mad?
Yeah. Jesus, this guy don't die.
Yeah, what really happened today? Was that man a ghost?
My sister, he's not a ghost. You see that man? That man is a very good guy. You know that man, he told me that his father is the vice president of Nigeria. And he also told me that his father is the minister of aviation. He told me that he has many cars. That they even sells cars well. I don't even know that he's an ordinary gate man. People can lie on Facebook.
I wish our fellow youths will be careful on the way you do things on social network.
My sister, I wish that our fellow youths will learn from this. Now I know that not all that glitters is gold.
That is why you have to be very careful.
People can lie on social media.